Newton famously said, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So if phosphating or metal coating for corrosion is the desired output, the undesired part of it is the phosphate sludge. If you want to know what that sludge is and how is it formed, then this video is just for you. Now the zinc phosphate coating has an undesired byproduct, and that is the phosphate sludge that gets generated during this process. Now, while using the zinc phosphate process, sludge eventually builds up in the phosphate tank and it needs to be periodically cleaned and properly disposed of. Reduction of formation of the zinc phosphate sludge is of quite a high interest for manufacturers, since the discarding is becoming expensive by the day, since it is environmentally hazardous. Chemically, sludge that is formed during this process, it is nothing but FePO4. This byproduct or the sludge is the insoluble part during the zinc phosphate process, and it continuously builds up, since the process starts as soon as the metal component gets in contact with the phosphating bath. Sludge formation happens in three ways in the entire zinc phosphating process. Now let us see what those three ways are. Zinc dihydrogen phosphate, the zinc phosphate compound with which most zinc phosphating liquid baths are nearly at equilibrium. It is less soluble at higher temperatures than at lower temperatures. Hence, some sludge is formed during the heating of the bath itself. The solubility of zinc dihydrogen phosphate is pH dependent. As a result, some sludge formation happens during neutralization of the bath. Now this neutralization is necessary for the optimum free acid value that should be maintained during the continuous use of the bath. Now, an unavoidable source of the sludge is the reaction, the actual reaction that happens during the zinc phosphate process. It is a byproduct of this chemical reaction. So the desired coating is the precipitate that happens or that gets coated on the metal surface, but because of this coating, because of this precipitation, the reaction, now if this is the action, the reaction is the formation of the sludge. So these were the three main reasons why sludge is formed during the zinc phosphate process. I sincerely hope you learned something new about the zinc phosphating process today. If you would like to know more about this process, please mention it in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Think Filter. Thank you.